Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change projection size for Epson EF-100B. And to do this, first we'll need to take a look on the remote. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. I'm gonna use a flashlight on my phone to help you with that. And there's the button in the bottom right corner of our remote, which when we click will enable this screen size adjustment. Now we can pick each of the corners. Let's go with this one, and then you can use the joystick buttons right here to adjust the size. So move to the left to go more left, go down to go more down, and etc. And you can do it for each of the corners and align the screen however you like, projection. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.